Hello everyone, welcome back again in my channel. Looking for a wired mouse that's super stylish, super comfy and very aesthetic, so stay tuned because today we are unboxing the Fingers RGB Debonair mouse, a perfect combo of style, speed plus RGB. Look at our mouse, very aesthetic watercolor. So let's quickly unbox it. Here is our box. The packaging is clean and modern and the branding in the pops you can see by Fingers, and the model name is Fingers Mouse RGB Debonair. Let's quickly unbox it. Here is our mouse. Inside the box, we get this RGB Debonair wired mouse and a small feedback card about its design and build quality. As you can see, this mouse has a sleek pinkish with rainbow RGB lightning strips running across the sides, and you can see, and a scroll wheel, right click, left click. Look at the size, very portable, comes in a super beautiful color with a USB wired. The cable length is about 1.5 meter. It has breathing LED lights with 3 buttons with scroll wheel, and the resolution is 1200 dpi. It's compatible with Windows, Mac OS, Linux, Chrome operating system. So let's quickly connect with our laptop or PC and let's test this mouse. Here I have connected my mouse. Look at the RGB lightning, guys. Wow, what a finish. So without wasting the time, let's test this mouse, and you can see it is very responsive. Wow, amazing. The mouse performs very smoothly. I can feel this DPI sensitivity is changes and perfect tracking, great response. This RGB lights, just look at them glow, pure eye candy for your setup. About its pros and cons, it is stunning RGB lightning, lightweight and stylish, multiple DPI settings, great for getting and daily use, plug and play, no drivers needed. And about its cons, no weight adjustment and cable could have been braided for more durability. So overall guys, if you are looking for a budget friendly RGB mouse with a premium look, comfortable feel and stylish look, this Fingers RGB Debonair is a total steal, perfect for gamers, designers and even casual users. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe to our channel.